What's up, guys? We're going on quite the adventure today. Heading out about an hour away to go pick up a 1965 Chevy C20. This thing's been kept in a barn for the last 10 years, so it kind of makes it a real barn find. I was out there not too long ago, took it for a ride. She runs, she drives, she's clean, no rust, not even a patina. It's got its bumps and bruises though. Stick around, you'll enjoy this. Guys, I'm extremely excited to introduce you to our 1966 Chevy C20. It's been a long time coming. We've been searching for trucks like this all over the place, and we actually found this guy not too far from where we're at. She is absolutely beautiful. I mean, inside and out, patina for days, but the best part is she's a true barn find. 31,000 original miles. Unheard of, I know. She's got inline 6, 4 on the floor, and the best part, maybe not the best part, but really interesting, is that she's still got the plastic on the sun visor from the factory. It just goes to show you, guy didn't drive it at all, man. We were lucky to get our hands on it. Almost no rust, a couple dents, things, and minor blemishes, but that's what gives it character, and that's why we love it so much. So, really excited to bring you guys along for this ride, for this build that we're about to have. It's gonna be a hell of a ride. I can't wait to start.